GW0306A multimeter calibrator. Main operating interface, as shown in figure. It is divided into three main. The first is source operation. The second is instrument calibration. Three is calibration. Now, enter 1. 1 is divided into operation of AC source and DC source and resistance. For example, so if we want to output 200 V, there are three ways. The first way is to press 8 to enter. Range change. Press 7 again to enter 200 V. Then follow and match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom left corner of the screen. You can send 200 V step by step. The second way is to send the value directly. Press 7. Press the key up. Enter direct send mode. In this interface, you can enter the value of an ability what you need. Let's say I'm sending 150 V. Enter 150.0. OK. We can see the voltage in the top becomes 150 V. If you want to send 75 V, the device now outputs 75 V. This is the AC voltage feed. AC current and frequency output is in the same way.